guys, what's going on? It's Crazy Dave.
It's Days of the Week.
Hi.
Yeah, Miss Jessie behind the camera. Guys, I've said that this was coming for a while. So we're finally doing it. Like, geez, I promised this, like 8 months ago or something like that. I was going to show you guys how I did chili. I don't have some ingredients, but I have extra of others this time. So let's move into the ingredients.
What's wrong with your hair, bro?
So, what?
Your hair's all like wacky and...
I just want to mention that this is the pot I will be using. It is ginormous. I'm hoping to fill it up to
Hey, pothead, put the pot by your head so you can show them how big it is.
My melon for scale. There's not much.
Damn, nothing's huge.
Yeah.
What? His head or is the pot?
The pot.
No, we could wear that as a freaking Knights Templar.
So this is, normally this is not in here. Get out of here is cream corn. You're for something else. All right. So we are doing
Putting Coke in there too? Okay.
Actually, I've my stepdad I've had actually put in one of those cooker things that just sits on the table and cooks. He put a whole or like 3/4 of a Molson Canadian in there. You could taste the beer because I'd had a beer before, right? Knew what it tastes like. But he put 3/4 of a beer in there, and it just added that like hoppy taste to it. It was really good. I've never been able to achieve it, even adding multiple beers. But
you have to use certain beer.
All I drank was Molson Canadian or Carling or something.
No, but there's a certain like beer that you actually use in there.
No, he just poured like a Molson Canadian in it. Yeah, for his recipe. I don't know how he did it, but you can taste it. Anyway, so it's 3 meat. We got a whole kilo. It's a whole fucking kilo.
Why did you get the meat for?
Because
he wants to smack his meat.
I'm gonna smack my meat.
It's the only way you can smack
anyway.
meat on this channel.
Things I can't see on YouTube.
Right. Anyway, now that I'm done slapping the meat, we got a kilo of beef, probably about half a kilo of ground pork. So for those of you who need pounds, it's about 2.2 pounds of ground beef, about a pound and a bit of ground pork, and we're gonna take these 5 lovely Italian sausages, cut them up real slim, and those are going in there too.
You smacked that meat hard.
Yes, I did.
So
anyway,
tenderize it.
Got to tenderize the meat.
Hey, we only get the medium.
I don't know if I'm going to add all of these mushrooms because none of us are really particular for them. But we're gonna definitely add some mushrooms. We got 2 things of chickpeas here. Can of lentils. I wish I had more of this, like the like diced tomatoes, if you will. Because this is more like a paste.
Call them stewing tomatoes. It's the best way to do it.
Yeah, and then we got some Romano beans and a butt ton of red kidney beans. And that's pretty well what's going to be our chili.
And
you want green beans in it?
And then the cherry sauce.
Green beans.
Whatever.
Oh, no.
Before they go bad, because dude, these are going to go bad.
They put that in a salad. Chop them up a little bit and put them in a salad.
So we got this here too as well that we can go on a salad.
Yep. But guys, that is the ingredients. I mean, I normally I'd probably because I'm doing it on such a large scale, I'd honestly want to duplicate this one more time over, just for the balancing sake. I'd like to have 2 small cans of not cream style corn like we have, but just regular corn or
kernel corn.
Yeah. A couple of cans of that, and maybe a couple of actual onions. Besides that, I'm going to be using salt, pepper, garlic powder. I got Italian seasoning. Did we get basil and oregano or no?
No.
No, we didn't. So we were already out of that before we even left. So you don't even have to look for it. So basically.
Oh wait, we got Italian.
Yeah, that's fine.
No.
So what we're going to do is we're going to start cooking up all this meat because it does have to be cooked before you put it into the actual like giant ass pot. So we will be right back. Alright guys, so we got the ground beef done. It is done. It is in the pot.
There you go.
It's in the pot and it's ready to go. We're cooking up the ground pork now. Sausages after that. Again, we're going to cut those into like coins and throw those in. Then we throw in all the canned ingredients, mix that all together in the pot, and yeah, let that stew for a couple hours. So that's it for now. We'll come back when all the meat is done. And until then, guys, take it easy. Okay, guys, so we got the beans and whatnot kind of sort of mixed up. They don't have to be exactly mixed. The ground pork is done. I've showed you the ground beef. It's done. You can't really see that. But we were just about done with the sausage. We're going to put that in the pan and give that a quick fry. And we will be back when we're mixing everything together, because this is going to require a substantial amount of liquid, just so that it stews instead of like just cooking the bottom layer. But yeah, we will be back when that is done. Alright guys, now I know that is very much indistinguishable from lumps of another ground meat, but that is our Italian sausage bits. They're going to be going into that pot that already contains the beef and pork ground meat. Again, we've got our beans. We're going to quickly saute these onions and the mushrooms just to, release their flavor a little bit more. They'll get added into the pot. We're going to stir the whole pot together, and we'll be back when everything's added together.
Alright, folks. Well, here's the remaining process of the chili. Everything's all mixed in, cooked. Have it on low heat. Stir every so often, for 3.5 hours or so. Yeah, but it smells delicious, doesn't it? Well, that's for me. We'll do a video test after when it's done. Till then.
So guys, that is the end of it. That looks like a spaghetti sauce dong in the top of the pot. Come and look at this from my angle. Tell me it doesn't. Spaghetti sauce dong.
It does. Send me a picture of that.
Anyway, guys, so that's the chili. It's done. Basically, just let that sit, stir it another time after the heat's all gone from it, and store in a container and enjoy. But I recommend doing this. A plate full of tortillas, or what are they called?
Tostitos?
Tostitos, nacho chips, basically.
Do you want me to start spooning off for you?
And you just slap some chili on there. And
oh, you know what we forgot to grab?
Enjoy.
You know what we forgot to grab?
But guys, that is going to do it for this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. And until next time, guys.
Peace out.
Bye.
Happy watching.